Ito ay totoo, bukas, Sabado na.
Yay,
Happy
I
weekend.
declare tomorrow as Saturday.
Because yesterday, Pinky declared today Saturday, so I'm glad you're here.
Officially, happy weekend.
Officially, happy weekend everyone. Pero nagpapatuloy pa yung traslasyon. Andun nga ang ating kasamahang si Corina Sanchez Rojas. Corina, kamusta dyan?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see that you made it, Pinky.
How is it there, Corina?
At mula dito, nothing untoward seems to have happened. More like medical issues. Ang daming tao, pero what really got my attention is the homily of the priest. Dahil sa mga nakaraang mga buwan, ang simbahang Katolika medyo konserbatibo sa kanilang paninindigan that nothing extra-constitutional should happen as we navigate the corruption scandal dito sa flood control projects. Pero kanina, yung pare, panay pagpapababa sa pwesto ang binabanggit. Bagamat wala naman siyang binanggit na pangalan. So sabi ko nga sa ating executive producer, maganda sigurong tanungin natin ang pamunuan ng Simbahang Katolika kung yung sermon kanina reflects the actual sentiment of the entire Catholic Church.
Good point. We can probably find out more about that. Doon sa naging homily nga ni Father kaninang umaga, that's what Corina was referring to, na bumaba na sa pwesto dahil nahihirapan na ang mga Pilipino at you don't deserve to be there basically.
Or very basic, gayahin nila si Kristo na totoong servant leader at talagang naglingkod sa tao at hindi pinaglingkuran.
Tama.
Anak pa siya ng Diyos. Totoong anak ng
pa siya
Diyos.
ng Diyos.
Yun.
So all right,
Pero
Corina?
baka may bababa naman. Sa hagdanan.
Feeling ko, wala talaga dyan. Ganito yung mga mukha, oh.
Kakapal. Kapal mooks. Special shout out sa mga ihos del Nazareno na napakalaking papel nila para tiyaking ligtas ang imahe, ligtas ang mga deboto at mga nananampalataya.
You know, Corina, we were talking about it a while ago. Even sa report, parang medyo mabagal ata yung procession ngayon. It started fast and then nagkaroon nga ng lull, nagkaroon ng pagtigil at one point. And I think the commitment, or at least they hope that in 20 hours, so from 4 a.m. kanina ay makarating na sa Quiapo ulit yung procession, si Pong Nazareno. So let's see if that's gonna happen, Willard, pero parang mabagal, no?
Mabagal eh. Kung last year, mga around 5:45 daw dumating sa San Sebastian Church para sa Dungaw. Pero ngayon, na-delay ng by 2 hours na.
Oh, wala pa.
So mukhang aabot ng hating gabi, if not beyond.
And I think this is the first year then that they made bawal that people can climb up to make punas by themselves. I think now they just hand it to them and the ihos will do it. And,
Yes, oo.
so I think more peaceful generally.
Pero parang naalala ko last year, parang bawal na rin yun eh. Ayaw nila talaga. Kasi nasisira talaga yung
Solemnity. No?
Hindi, tsaka yung
imahe.
Yung imahe, hindi ba? Kailangan panatilihing protektado yon. But anyway, again, happy weekend everyone.
Yes, TGIF!
Happy weekend!
Happy
Thanks,
weekend,
Mo,
Miss
Corina.
Corina Sanchez Rojas.